which they live. The situation is very difficult, but in difficult situation we need greater courage and determination. Each report of self-immolation from Tibet has filled my heart with pain. Most of those who have died have been very young. They had a long future ahead of them, an opportunity to contribute in ways that they have now forgone. In Buddhist teaching, life is precious. To achieve anything worthwhile, we need to preserve our lives. We Tibetans are few in number, so every Tibetan life is of value to the cause of Tibet. Also, the situation is difficult. We need to live long and stay strong without losing sight of our long-term goals. As His Holiness the Dalai Lama has said, the Chinese leadership should face up to the real.
We want freedom!
What we want!
We want freedom!
Liberté pour le Tibet! Liberté pour le Tibet! Liberté
pour le Tibet!
Liberté
pour le Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Stop murdering! Stop killing! Stop lying! Stop hate killing! Stop killing! Stop killing!
During the communism, it's the so-called secular land, and one member of my community tried to visit your country in the 19th century. He is Alexander Kureshi. He made the first Tibetan English dictionary, and everybody in my region, Hungarians from Romania, from Transylvania, from secular land, knows about you. We have a special association regarding the work of and life of Alexander Kureshi. And last time when I visited your settlement in India and I got some books, I give it to this organization, so we keep you in our prayers, in our mind and in our debates. And for us it's also very important to help you reach your goals, to give back the real autonomy of Tibet. And